What is exposition? Exposition is kind of the backstory that's leading up to your current story. It's information that the reader, or if you're writing a script, that the viewers need to understand or know about the character, but a lot of it is kind of leading up to it. Again, a lot of people use exposition through dialogue, which is never the best way to do it if it's not done naturally. You got to do natural dialogue to get exposition out there. You don't want to just have exposition dump through dialogue and make it so boring where it's just like, nobody talks like that, right? So my tip for exposition is don't just dialogue dump exposition. Make it flow naturally, make it flow the way that normal people would talk, how it would come up in a conversation, or how you can easily guide it in there, or why a memory would pop up, or something to show more of the character, to give more information to the reader or the viewer about that character or about the plot that's going on.